As a Tesla Model Y owner, I am always on the lookout for accessories that can improve my car's appearance and offer some extra protection. Recently, I came across the LASFIT matte front and rear door sill protector, designed specifically for the Tesla Model Y. In this video, I will share my honest review of this product, discussing its benefits and the overall experience of installing it on my vehicle. If you are interested in adding this product to your Tesla Model Y and would like to save an additional 15%, use coupon code VINNY15 when checking out. Links are in the description. The LASFIT Door Sill Protector is an accessory aimed at protecting the door sill area from scratches, abrasions, and stains that can occur during daily use. It also claims to add an aesthetic touch to the interior of the Model Y. The package comes with 2 installation options, double-sided tape and Velcro, catering to the different rear door sill materials of plastic or carpet. After installing the door sill protector, I did notice that it does indeed protect the door sill area from scuffs and scratches. Its material seems durable enough to withstand daily wear and tear. The matte finish of the protector adds a subtle yet elegant touch to the interior of the Model Y. While it may not be a significant visual upgrade, it does offer some enhancement to the overall appearance of the vehicle. When it comes to installation, the LASFIT Door Sill Protector package comes with 2 options for installation. The double-sided tape option offers a strong adhesive bond, ensuring that your door sill protector remains securely in place. There's also the Velcro option, a more flexible option. Velcro allows for easy removal and repositioning of the door sill protector as needed. Both options are designed to provide a secure fit while allowing for seamless integration with your vehicle's existing design. The LASFIT Door Sill Protector proves to be particularly helpful during camping trips and in snowy, wet climates. When you're out camping, muddy boots are inevitable, and the door sill area of the vehicle often bears the brunt of this dirt and grime. This accessory offers a reliable barrier against the mud and moisture, preventing stains and scratches on the door sill. In snowy and wet conditions, the protector's durable materials act as a shield against slush, salt, and moisture, ensuring that your Tesla Model Y's interior remains clean and well protected. As a result, you can enjoy the outdoor adventures without worrying too much about the impact on your vehicle's interior. In conclusion, the LASFIT matte front and rear door sill protector is an essential accessory for Tesla Model Y owners looking to maintain the exceptional appearance of their vehicle, offering protection against daily wear and tear, as well as an added touch of sophistication. This accessory is a worthy investment for any Tesla Model Y owner that lives in an area with high snowfall like I do. Well, that's it for this week's video. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Happy adventures and safe travels.